Welcome to a project which was completed thanks to data made available publicly by The Economist, a very well-respected publication which has podcasts and various other media outlets. Basically, the data was scraped from a large number of data sets. They were pre-2020 and projected into 2021. The key indices were based around GDP. As we know, GDP is about the economic barometer of an area or country over a specific time frame. They're about the area's economy and growth rate. So the data was scraped off the different data sets, transformed using pipelines and the tidyverse, and then merged again using pipelines and put into one large data set. This is one of the interim data sets. As you can see, data has been scraped from quite a long time frame. In total, there were 16,000 plus rows of data from different times and different areas of the world. They were put together into this overall data set, which describes some of the major areas and nations of the world. It's a little bit difficult to completely make definite comparisons between countries because they are based on different time frames. For example, industrial production ranges from November 2019 through December and March through to April 2020. Similarly, consumer prices are from April and March. Percentage unemployment rate, again, may not be available or is from April to February. So the GDP absolute figures for some of the countries and areas are as follows. A lot of negatives here, and the comparison with the previous quarter is here, and you can see a lot of negatives in these columns. Similarly, for 2020 we have quite a bleak output for many areas. However, 2021 is showing a very, very optimistic prospect for many areas, and this is factoring in the coronavirus, which was already having an effect, as we know, in the first quarter of 2020. Thank you very, very much for your attention.